the gate lock stuck? Kardo Locksmith fixed one in Studio City fast. A faulty gate lock can put your home at risk. This home had a gate lock that wouldn't latch right. Our locksmith arrived and found rust buildup and a loose strike plate causing the issue. We realigned the plate, secured it with durable rivets, and tested the lock. Now their gate lock's working and secure again. Struggling to lock your gate? Don't risk it. Call 323-999-2036 today for expert gate lock repair that brings peace of mind.